How to request a refund for your Apple subscription. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'll guide you on how you can request a refund for your Apple subscription. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and easy, so let me guide you through. To request a refund for an Apple subscription, you can simply head into your Safari or browser and here search in for report a problem. Type in report a problem. So report a problem.apple.com, head into it. Once you head into the page, you want to log into the account. So make sure you head into report a problem.apple.com and you want to sign into your account. Once you're signed in, the next step is you'll find the option to request a refund. Then select request a refund option. Choose the reason for the refund. Select the subscription or other item you want a refund for and then submit it. So this is how you can easily go ahead and request a refund for your Apple subscription. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.